Please help. Please help. My parents are snoring again. Hey, can you stop snoring?
That's not what. Yeah, that's not sorry, Peter.
Oh, come on. I woke up once again by a T-Rex. Now what do I do? It's supposed to be one of my last videos because my phone has terrible storage. Ooh, very shiny. Okay. No work safety in my room. Please just be like, tell me why I should have as my intro, because some YouTubers have intros. And I don't. But don't forget to subscribe to Moggy Master 72 and leave a like down below since I'm only starting off, would be a huge appreciation. And also try and subscribe to Leafy 914 Bucket if it just comes up as farm machinery, which it does for me and it probably will for you. But hey, safety. Oh, my back. But anyway, sub to Moggy Master 72 and leave a like. Do the same with Leafy 914 Bucket. I don't know, but please do. This is possibly going to be one of my last videos as well because my storage problem. So goodbye.